Wo yire pamo wa America. Wo Wegyimie. Ade ye de Lumba sisia no wo. One face be America. But Shee, Ojina Ghana because he wants to be in Ghana. He is in Ghana because Onwana America ni permanent here.
Yes, you are but Bonamo with Germany. Hey, now, Honoria Masumi, they are different. Namasuma, Yama life. Would you know Fukusu, now Jaho, in Africa can be Christianity and yet to pass them. The way this guy is talking, as if say Ononia Busuapani of what? That Lumba.
A side chick means say, Onim say wa worry. Me peso biabe un say wo date me impo. So I am coming in to spend your money. I am coming in for you to make me happy. I am coming in to spend all your properties. When you allow a side chick to penetrate, to become popular, to become famous, Massa, She is no more a side chick.
Hello, I Xposed. The name is Bamboo. Subscribe, share. Me need to man now on sa enya akabi prefer. Slim Basta, Ghana's Michael Jackson. I want no turn no sabi be say. Hey, everybody. Slim was my former boss. Boss, I agree to you. And then Wabekasa, I'm telling you, no kasa che. And then Wabekasa, wakase me. Na sem na me o kind of. But say we tie ni di wia. Match them.
A side chick means say, Onim say wa worry. Me peso biabe un say wo date me impo. So I am coming in to spend your money. I am coming in for you to make me happy. I am coming in to spend all your properties. That and no your friend is side chick. But side chick ba wo life mu, e ba wo husband ho. And then you allow the side chick to portray for the side chick to penetrate. Tio, when you allow a side chick to penetrate, to become popular, to become famous, Massa, She is no more a side chick. Then we'll come to gold diggers. Most of our women are more gold diggers than anybody. Because Madame for 11. Yeah? Madame for 4 Obia eja any husband. Because and omonya baby ejina. You're talking about Adobroni, who stood there for Lumba when he was dying. Me say every man, I know a lot of people will not agree, but every man on this earth, Epobia, se obewua ni pakonitina ninchen. That is why a white man, or intellectuals will give their will to cut. Why? Because the last minute no mubewuno, it was the cat that gave him comfort. I don't give a heck about you doing anything in my life when you're not there for me to die. Because remember, anytime you marry, it's for better, for worse. Tio, me come as me worry me ankasa me youngest. Listen, me worry me student, me be a me the same classroom. I'm not going to say any bad thing about Rosemary Ampao, but because of baby, I was treated like a stupid man. Why? Because between me and we can't have babies. So I was treated. There are certain things and
wow, are you a side chick or you are the main chick? Or you are the boss chick or you are the wife? Mabonya mami ensa. You can say the wife here didn't chase ya. Boss chick no, why empena but empena na busiani mono. What you say? Boss chick. Why empena, but empena no because of the sika na the bibinti no, obi akoto no. The main chick no ya obia enye sika per se, but oya serviceable. And say you want side chick and no yendi binko. What you say? Ni asna me bi say na say I will say Odobroni a side chick by our analogy I will say marriage in Ghana is only ordinance because Ghana oba ye bibremu aha ye mra no e kire say aware po ye ware ofie no edimu sin ye kokot no by virtue no odobroni say ye ware na abusua baako abusua ni baako kra ko bia that marriage is legal. Yes, some one married home. It is a abusua ni baako kra ko na obetimi approve say abusua ni baako kra no ko ya a legal marriage. Unless omon ko ni nyina ye rented people. Ikofo bi ye, but you no kofa rented people. No do ma ba ho. Ye be ware baako kra nya na abusua ni bia. And no a fake marriage. Na nipa baako a minim so esofo so e hwan Papa Shee o sawanyo oh no autonomy atadwi bibi wonu se no to asa enum pa eno se nyame afre no na the way Papa Shee afa asam na oye no enwoma Slimmaster ka se die
wo yire pamo wa America wo Wegyimie tio ade ye de Lumba sesia no wo face bi wa America o Papa Shee ojina Ghana because he wants to be in Ghana. He is in Ghana because Onwana America ni apamine fi ho. Ontumi kono ankasa ne fie. So why do you sit there to disgrace Lumba's body? Papa Shee, why do you have to stand there for Akosua say what to disgrace Lumba's? Because Akosua, let me tell you, almost every woman away to Kwan wa Abrochi, they have something to hide. Me pacho, ask anybody. Almost a man ba wo krom hand bebre a man no enye ye din na do musuo because omo pe dying, because omo pe benefits, because they think and Akosua going to say I am not going to Ghana. There's something hidden somewhere. A question ye bisa. I mean bibina a preventing because when you were going to marry, you say for better for worse. So what happened to the time there was that storm that was rattling, that storm that was breaking through, that storm that about a shit, because Lumba became the eye of the women. What do? You pray for such a man. You go behind, you kneel down, you pray for them so that Obia or Pese or how no Nyamini infina kwan so. But because
Uncle Slim no dey asem na ba no. What's what that Papa Shee? What betting one Ghana for Germany in Wabai? Yes, you are but Bonamo with Daniel for Germany. Hey, now, Honoria Mesumi, the different. Yamasuma, Yama life. Would you know for Kusu, now Jaho, and Africa can send me, you kiss or some dear, ye make up your check, and then for her. Quamerika, Christianity, and yet to Quasem. The way this guy is talking, as if say Ononia Busia penny of what? That Lumba. I'm telling you. Meanwhile, in your closet, you have the same case. I walk around here say, when Germany Germany na Abaha. Massa, be careful. Sasa Fudena would ye study. Na question waje, peace affair. One interview no. One can send me, ye go timbra.
Ya wo minimum odo breni da wo. Eye ba yan kwa na mi hu no. Me na me catch for 50 for 50 years. You don't understand.
Which means no, Papa Shee, which means because we are friend to Lumba some years back. But see there won yan nyonko because I mean send your question as chronology of my 2014. Na se Lumba ne odobro ni tu kwan ne nkoda na se last year me no sansi ni tu kwan as ne yire na wuni mu a then means that
ni Ghana ha me ko ni fie ho
Papa Shee you know na ti Ghana for some years now you know na ti ha
I want to nyante mase me see my friend brother obi na kwasi I have my brother number here
last year crowd won ko ni fie wunim say oyire
ma kon fie o 3 occasions that year omwa me police ni makoto no ma me ntira me bo Franco Pagnino brand me na ma dance for se ko obra ho na makọ na police na welcome me papa you follow brother na obi anime akasa ofi minim ni pakro yes minim da.
No, I don't think say impression Papa Shee creating news because
what be some say me encourage na me just makọ
no I'm saying say o say o brother now kofie no o brother now kofie unim kra say oni oba bi tie fe no bebruni woni uko fia wo nkoda 5
Minti Ghana.
oh
And Madam me could
for years you have been what Ghana
relationship. Lumba is very secretive.
No, apart from Lumba being secretive, the same Busa said, you sat here and you boldly stated that. Me Busa a question off camera, off microphone.
This is no problem.
And me Busa will say, after all this while, Akosia Sewa yenim so ni Lumba ware, right? After 15 years, are you telling me that they were still married and doing what husband and wife does? Here, Ukachem say yes, they are married, which means that you have been in.
Say last year, listen, last year, me say me brother and bar bontin because I neira wa ware no. Last year, na me who video say me ira Kosia say wa ma ware no. Ontimi nya me see wan gasa me former wife.
Papa Shee is pretending to be a friend of Lumba, but he's not. Na say yankra Lumba yen sister for me Papa Shee wo. Or for him consecrate yes one no problem. So ko obi. You are for a long time. Now we need Papa Shee who see we Lumba therefore. Now we need say Lumba ni odobroni na eti eko ba bia then you are a hypocrite. All these people oko ba bia sika no wo. Wade we sika euro ye be wa ama no. Ti wa gire no kasa uba ko gina puppet so we preaching no gina ho na say wo kasa. Yes for even for all this why you have even seen what that number. So what are you talking about? These are people like omo ba obusuama omo papa ebusuani ni achiche mi asay no. Let's be careful of friends like this. People that you are not even a friend to that Lumba because omo odimpo da. Yes so ko Germany na so Dani you. Who ya software ma software no honte software why ku say Moses who go you take akra yes Christianity no salad here why when who as if say when kole hu a ndo medane dem ya me bisa me say me before you come and preach to me I'll ask you what has God done for you who are we on what has God done for you if you can't answer that don't come and preach to me I like swag pastors or but in Range Rover Bimu, what said will be yes. And when I can say, God has blessed you, I believe. Now, Papa shall know your fuku said to go and say, when did God bless you? Yenya hypocrisy, no. Ya hear better see a museum. Oh, yeah, so far, this is the time to bring both together. Even Akosa Sawaka to Boise. Nasabi Nipa no Pega, Paddy na Troko. Odo bro no afra no eno de yakase wo nyansa eyeso ko gina ba kwachi na wo kan sama nim na wi nia na wo de bro asofo aba mo bru nua kwase asamsa mo gina puppet na mo bru nua jimie first class nyame be bisa mo Xposed je chefem be so share me de 2 man na asa ka bi manuesi